Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of amazing pergola designs and tips for creating an amazing pergola ideas for best outdoor space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Pergolas have become an epitome of sophistication, offering a unique blend of functionality and aesthetics. Join us as we explore the secrets of making a pergola look good, the reasons behind its popularity, and the best type of roof for your pergola. Unleashing the beauty, making a pergola look good. Creating an appealing pergola design is an art that requires a keen eye for detail. Here are some expert tips to make your pergola an object of admiration. 1. Choose the right materials. Opt for high-quality, durable materials that suit your overall design concept. 2. Incorporate greenery. Integrate climbing plants, such as ivy or wisteria, to add a touch of natural elegance. 3. Enhance with lighting. Illuminate your pergola with soft, warm lighting to create a cozy ambience during the evening. The popularity of pergolas, a timeless appeal. 1. Pergolas have garnered immense popularity over the years due to their numerous advantages. These include 2. Outdoor living. Pergolas extend your living space into the outdoors, providing a comfortable area for relaxation and entertainment. 3. Visual appeal. The striking architectural structure of a pergola enhances the aesthetic appeal of any outdoor setting. 4. Shade and privacy. Pergolas offer a shaded retreat from the sun's rays while maintaining an open and airy feel. 5. Versatility. Pergolas can be customized to suit various styles, from classic to modern, allowing for endless design possibilities. Building your dream. Cost considerations. Building your own pergola can be a rewarding and cost-effective endeavor. While the total cost will depend on various factors, such as size and materials used, constructing a DIY pergola can save you money compared to hiring a professional. However, it is essential to consider your skill level, available time, and access to necessary tools before taking on the project. The perfect pergola roof. Choosing wisely. When it comes to selecting the ideal roof for your pergola, there are several options to consider. 1. Open lattice roof. This design allows for partial shade while still enabling sunlight to filter through, creating a delightful interplay of light and shadow. 2. Retractable canopy. A retractable fabric canopy offers versatility, allowing you to adjust the level of shade as desired. 3. Polycarbonate roof panels. These transparent or translucent panels provide protection from the elements while still allowing natural light to penetrate. 4. Shade and privacy. Pergolas offer a shaded retreat from the sun's rays while maintaining an open and airy feel. Top 10 Best Amazing Pergola Design Ideas. Now, let's unveil a curated list of 10 stunning pergola design ideas that will inspire your creative journey. 1. Mediterranean Oasis. Embrace a relaxed, coastal vibe with a pergola adorned with draped curtains, a cozy seating area, and potted plants. 2. Minimalist elegance. Achieve a sleek and contemporary look with a pergola featuring clean lines, neutral tones, and minimalist furnishings. 3. Japanese Zen. Create a serene retreat with a pergola designed in the Japanese style, complete with bamboo accents and a tranquil rock garden. 4. Rustic charm. Incorporate wooden beams, reclaimed materials, and vintage furniture to evoke a rustic, farmhouse-inspired ambience. 5. Modern oasis. Opt for a pergola boasting modern design elements, such as geometric shapes, glass panels, and sleek outdoor furniture. 6. Bohemian paradise. Infuse your pergola with boho chic charm by adding vibrant textiles, macrame hangings, and a variety of potted plants. 7. Tropical haven. Transform your outdoor space into a tropical paradise by incorporating lush greenery, thatched roofing, and a cozy hammock. 8. Contemporary retreat. Achieve a contemporary look with a pergola featuring clean lines, concrete or metal elements, and minimalist decor. 9. Classic elegance. Embrace timeless elegance with a pergola featuring ornate details, classic columns, and luxurious outdoor seating. 10. Urban oasis. Create an oasis in the heart of the city with a pergola complemented by vertical gardens, modern furnishings, and stylish lighting fixtures. A pergola holds the power to transform your outdoor space into a mesmerizing oasis, blending style and functionality. By following expert tips and exploring various design ideas, you can create a pergola that truly reflects your personal taste and enhances your living experience. Let your imagination soar as you embark on the journey of designing your dream pergola. Remember to visit Homes Decor Designs on YouTube for more inspiring home decor and design content that will elevate your living spaces to new heights. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of amazing pergola design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.